Looks like it is set to Celeste. Yep, alright. I did change everything. Alright. Yeah, hoping to get Celeste done. I mean, I guess also hoping to get the Elden Ring boss done as well. Well, I'm glad you saw the notification. Double challenge day. Alright. Oh, I'm not used to having the Celeste volume so high in my ears. That should work better. Alright. No Blizzard today, unless he like messages me and asks like, "Hey, want to be in a call?" Yeah, Blizzard finished the map, so it's just me left to finish. I do like doing this just to have my name above my head. Once it decides to connect. Is it gonna connect? Oh, it went to off. There we go. I just like having my name above my head. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, usually I don't have the game very loud in my ears. Elden Ring, I have it quite loud. But it's also lowered in OBS, so it's different. Alright. So I was quite consistent yesterday. I played offline yesterday. So I do have, you know, my hands are a bit warmed up from that. I got this. I think I do. I think I'll be able to beat it today. Alright, I need to turn the game up a bit more so I can hear the dash noise a bit better. It's a lot about like my finger positioning, because I like reposition my hand ever so slightly for each of the separate ultras. So for like this first ultra, I like flick my fingers out really high to get the timings, instead of like keeping my fingers close to the controller. The second one I need to click a lot quicker though. And then the third one, I think, is the exact same timing as the first. It's just you have an alternate timing along with it, which is, you know, hitting the Kevin properly. Still got to do that wave dash a bit lower. Oh no, that's not what I'm supposed to do. Smack Kevin like Chris Rock. You know it. Now, actually, I did get a tip from Pax Romana, who also plays Celeste. I was in his stream the other night, and he did actually give a tip on that last ultra. Here, I can zoom over to it real quick. He basically said something that helped him do it. And I'm not sure if my brain will be able to like fully do it because it's already a lot of inputs for me. Right here, so you do the down dash when you hit the gem, and then you immediately have to do the down right to do a wave dash off of that first block. He said he kept having troubles because when he was doing the down dash, because he kept holding down, he would fast fall just a little bit, and then the wave dash would mess up because of that. And so what helped him was to click down for the down dash, let go of down, and then click down again for the down right for the wave dash, so that he doesn't accidentally fast fall. Again, I don't know if like I'll be able to do that, but I do have issues with that section, so maybe that would help if I can manage to pull it off. It's just already a lot of inputs for me, and I'm usually a bit slower on them. Gotta get my hands in the position. I'm still clicking too early. Or not as fast. I honestly can't tell sometimes. Ah! Just gotta slow it down. Bit too early? Very slightly. Still going too early. That's surprising. I don't think I've only had that issue like once or twice before today. Not far enough, yeah. All right. I tried it, and that wasn't the part that I messed up. So, you know, that is good that I just messed up a different part and not that. It's so hard because now I have to, like, doing that, I need to think about what I'm doing with both my thumbs, where normally it's just my right thumb that's having to like switch for the most part. My left thumb just kind of has to roll to the side. Oh, not close enough to the crystal. Can't do anything with that. Such a delicate timing. held the wrong direction. Close. It was. How's it going, Yurt? I'm getting there. The blizzard corner. Alright, so on that part I just need to not hold right that quickly. I just need to hold off before I start holding right. But already, I mean, that's further than I was on the previous time I streamed the level. Though I did, like I said, I played offline, so there was progress made there. I got there a lot quicker than usual. Whew. Didn't even know what I jumped off of. I didn't. Must not have clicked in time. think I was too high on that wave dash. You're joking. That's how I die? I don't even get an attempt. What? Huh? Where was my speed? Way too early on that. I don't know why I clicked there. Why am I not getting speed off of that? Like, it doesn't even give me a chance to, like, slide a little bit on the platform, apparently. Though sometimes it feels like it gives me that opportunity. Hate that. Hate it. I hate dying due to me, like, I'm fine dying if, like, I misinputted or, like, something like that, but me not, like, my finger just not hitting the button, like a microsecond too late. Kind of annoys me. Because my brain is there. It's just barely not enough. Why? Let me on the second half of the screen, please. I want to die to jumping over the fish again. Please. Or not. I just had no speed there. Come on. Brain, you gotta work. Please. This could be the end if my brain cooperated. Where was I? Why did I not have speed out of a wave dash there? I definitely didn't do that dash quick enough. Too quick now? Okay. Joking. Too fast again. Love being able to die by going too fast. You ever just too good at a game that it makes you bad? I was thinking so much on the reposition. The game felt bad. It was like, all right, here you go. And then rips it right in front of me. Throws it away. Come on, what are you doing? Literally have a pattern for this. Why do I not follow it? Then that one I always just start too early. Oh, I started the... Actually, I think I wall bounced too early. honestly, on that. I think that was what caused my problem. Why is that so consistent? Just dash lower. Literally, like, the most precise hitbox this game has. Yeah, I'm clicking the wall bounce too early. That's always been a problem with me, though. Like, that's most of my wall bounce fails. Too late by milliseconds. Too early by milliseconds. Cool. Oh, I almost didn't have the distance for that. Too early still. It's a hard timing. Or rather, it's such an irregular timing. Okay. Okay, so I just need to spend less time worrying about reposition because I need to be fast falling shortly after. I've gotten to the bottom of that, but hit the electricity all the way down. Oh wait, no, actually I did get the, I've hit the puffer, actually, and didn't get the puffer boost. I actually did almost have this beat. Completely forgot. That time I accidentally did a down right at the bottom. I was too prepared for the down dash. Ah. Bit too quick on my inputs there. Oh, I was just off the wall too much. And it's from what I understand, it's like you have one full Madeline's length to be within the wall to actually get that wall bounce. Which makes it hurt even more knowing that. Just means I'm like such a huge distance from the wall. Too low. Oh, I had no idea where I was there. I wasn't holding out. I also dashed right away, which would have killed my speed anyway. But I think that was more a panic. Still, just getting that far. Really good. Too early. I didn't hold it early enough. Didn't click jump early enough. Clicked way too many buttons. Too low. Whoa. Don't know what my fingers were doing. It didn't read my dash input. I clicked at the right time. It was probably too early anyway. But it didn't read it, and that's kind of upsetting. Holding out is so hard on that. Ooh, wow, I didn't realize I was slow on that. I think the puffer boost was what was slow. Too low. Come on. No, even with the backup, I just died instantly. What am I doing? Moved too early on that. That backup specifically is if I see that the Ultra isn't enough speed, and I just barely hit the electricity if I don't dash instead. I held down, but like as I let go, I must have clicked dash at that point instead. I would have needed to fast fall. I don't think I would have made that. Clicking buttons in the wrong order. Come on. Didn't fast fall soon enough. I did stop fast falling a little bit just because I was afraid of still holding down when I had to right dash. Man, I've got to fast fall longer. I think that's the only way. I've got to stop chickening out. What? How did that not make it? Not even the backup is guaranteed. I must have jumped late. Come on. Come on. Back to that, huh? You're joking. What? Where did it read that input? I did not click jump. When did I click jump there? What? I was still in the markings. I feel cheated on that one. The jump I was probably just lagging in my brain. That one, I was like in the markings for the pufferfish and it didn't hit me. Way too early. What was that? I was not moving to the right, like, at all for that. Every time when I back up that, it's always too far to the right. I don't understand how. Why? Man, something's wrong where, like, some of my inputs are just, like, way too delayed in my head. I don't know why. Because clearly I'm thinking fast enough to do most of it. So I don't know why, like, one input every minute or so is just, like, way too slow. No, I was still holding to the side. Oh, no worries. You're never obligated to chat, and I always appreciate lurkers just as much. I'm also... Celeste, I think I'm quite a bit more quiet on my commentary, just because this takes way more focus than Elden Ring. Elden Ring, like, the actual openings for things are much wider gaps for the most part, where this is just like long spreads of like precision. No! Oh, so close! That... Alright, another one. Like, I really only get a chance to look down at chat between attempts here. Where in Elden Ring I can be reading during an attempt. No, I dashed too early! Oh, no! That was it. I was so prepped for it. And I knew I had to delay the dash. That is so painful. Oh, I did it! I did it! I'm free. I did it. Let's go. I'm out. How did I just, like, do it so many times? Like, that was what, like, 2 attempts after getting to this point previously? Something just clicked in my head, I guess. Yes! Alright, there's still one more screen. I still need to, Still need to do this. Didn't even break a sweat. Well, that is not quite true. So I'm doing this a bit different than Blizzard. I don't think he was doing this, first of all. And then he wasn't using this stash crystal. Alright, I want a left dash on that. He was doing like some kind of wall bounce and grabbing the wall over here or something. Oh, too much speed off that. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay, it gave it to me. Thank you, game. Alright. Going up. Oh, the end. 1552. That feels really good. Okay. Oh man. I am so happy to be done with that. So the way I was talking with Pox yesterday, and he mentioned that like that last screen, not that like the last flag one, and expert Heartside kind of as a whole is more of an introduction to Grandmaster rather than a finale of expert, with how it sits in difficulty wise. Like that last screen apparently is like harder than most of like the easy Grandmaster maps. So that definitely tells me like Blizzard and I should be able to do the easy Grandmaster maps with not relative ease, but like we won't struggle too horribly much on them. Oh, wow. 149 hours on this file. Some of that's from testing, but a lot of that is from these levels. 89. Let me go in so I can see the journal. Where is the nearest one? Nice. Totals: 21 berries, 13.8 thousand deaths. 38 hours total, with 15 of them, almost 16 of them, coming from the Heartside. Less than half of the deaths, though. Wow. Sweet. Return to map. Just journal. I can journal from here, right? And there's that. Beginner difficulty, I think I grabbed one of the speedrun berries. Everything else. So beginner we had all berries. Intermediate we had all berries. Advanced we missed a few. Can't remember if... I think I had gone back in some of the advanced maps and grabbed what we missed, but others it was kind of just like, not really worth it. And then expert we missed quite a few that we weren't really too worried about going back and grabbing. And then the deaths just kind of ramped up. Under 1,000 for beginner, doubled that for intermediate, more than double for advanced, and then more than double that again for expert. But hours wise, not too bad. Doubled from beginner to intermediate like the deaths. Intermediate to advanced is less than double. And advanced to expert isn't even that... That's not even that much of an increase, I'd say. 14 hours, almost 15. And for Blizzard at least, it took us 3 streams to do the intermediate Heartside. And it took Blizzard 3 streams to do the expert Heartside. I mean, it didn't take me much longer. So, that is not too bad. Not too bad at all. Alright, I'm going to roll